Welcome to my channel. Today I've come to address an issue here. YouTube is becoming hard these days. A lot of policies have been introduced. I'm going to show you what YouTube sent me. You know, I have a lot of channels that I'm running, and one of my channels had reached monetization. I'd reached the 4,000 watch hour, and I applied for monetization, and YouTube sent me this message. You have to be so careful. You have to be so careful. This is the message that they sent me. They are saying, "Hi, thank you for applying to join the YouTube Partner Program. We reviewed your channel. Unfortunately, we found that your channel is not eligible for monetization, so we cannot approve your application at this time." Wisdom, they wrote my channel there, has been found to be related to another channel with unresolved YouTube Partner Program suspension, i.e. a suspended channel that has not yet been readmitted to YouTube Partner Program. Channels will not be approved for YouTube Partner Program if they are related to any other channel with an unresolved suspension. When you have a channel which was suspended from YouTube Partner Program, that means you cannot monetize any other channel related to that channel. I hope you got the point. If you had a channel which was denied monetization in the past, which means your channel is at risk, they are going to demonetize it too until you remonetize the other channel which is related to this channel. This thing is going to destroy a lot of YouTubers. A lot of channels are being suspended and being demonetized just because they have a history of the channel they created years back which was suspended, and now they are suspending their channels just because of this policy. YouTube is changing and it's becoming hard and harder these days. What does this mean? What does this mean? They told me here, you cannot monetize as a result of this. You still have access to most other creator features and you can upload videos, edit or delete your videos, communicate with your audience. There is no change to how your videos are promoted in our search and recommendation system. If you want to reapply, you should start by going to your earn page in YouTube Studio to read more about the next steps. YouTube is becoming hard and harder. So what I need to do, I need to remonetize the first channel which was suspended years back.